Hey everyone! Are you an anime lover looking to get Crunchyroll on Kodi? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install the Crunchyroll add-on on Kodi so you can stream all your favorite shows effortlessly. Plus, I'll share a way to stay safe while streaming with NordVPN. More on that in just a bit. Let's get started.
First, open Kodi on your device. On the home screen, go to Settings. That's the gear icon in the top left corner. Next, click on System Settings and make sure to enable unknown sources. This allows us to install third-party add-ons like Crunchyroll.
Don't worry, enabling unknown sources is safe, especially if you use a VPN like NordVPN to protect your connection. Select add-ons, click on Install from Repository. Select Kodi Addon Repository, then go to Video Add-ons and choose Crunchyroll. Finally, hit Install, and Kodi will handle the rest. Boom, that's it. You've installed the Crunchyroll add-on. Now log in with your Crunchyroll account and you're ready to stream. But wait, before you start streaming, make sure you're protected. Streaming through third-party add-ons can expose your activity to ISPs and potential hackers. That's why I recommend NordVPN. With NordVPN, you can secure your connection, access geo-blocked content, and stream without worry. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive deal on NordVPN and start streaming safely today. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more streaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy streaming and stay safe.